Hi everyone, Rainey with my Dream Boat Project, and in this video I wanted to take a moment to wish all of you from Raluca and I a very happy and safe holiday season. So whatever you're celebrating for a holiday, I hope you have a great one. And over here we'll be celebrating Christmas, so for those of you that have us on your Christmas list, you can send me a 40-foot catamaran. Hint, hint. Anyways, I hope you all have a great holiday season. I hope you had a great year. We have so much to be thankful for. Even in this 2020 crazy year, there's always something good. There's always an opportunity. So I hope 2020 brought you some wonderful opportunities as it did us. And if you haven't had, look really hard if you haven't had one. You're probably going to see one. There's always a way to find something good from something that isn't. So that's my wish to you, is that you had a great 2020 and you have an even better 2021. Happy sailing and happy holidays. Bye-bye.